Hello, welcome back to Cesim simulation step-by-step guide for our one version Cesim 2024-2025 in the NBA simulation game, the free winning guide and tips. You can check the other video for the top 10 winning tips, for overview of all the winning tips for each round. This is a detailed step-by-step guide for our one. So in the first video, we have checked the unit so last round, so we can calculate the sales forecast. Check the financial statement for R&D, promotion, sale and profit of each competitors, and now we check the market report to see the unit sold and level of at a different level of price. So this is very important. So we look at this now, you see. So when you open the market report, you have three markets here, USA for example, USA here, and you see in the first round we may focus on round one, take one and take two, right? So you see here you need to take this every round to make the decision of the price you are going to set, and also the estimated demand, the price and also the estimated demand on the screen you see. But again, do not copy the number. I'm showing you the strategy. You can use the strategy, but number do not copy, because the number may be different from game to game, from student to student. So the second the next step is to check the market report to see unit result and the different level of price. And now we need to check the market outlook to see the growth rate. Check the market outlook. We see the market condition here. So we see the sales growth between 8 and 15% in all the market, for example. So this is very important to check this to make sure we calculate the demand forecast carefully. Calculate the demand forecast carefully, and then you can get that forecast precisely to avoid inventory or out of stock, right? So remember to check the market report to see the unit which can sell at different levels of price, and take the market outlook to see the growth rate. If you have any questions, send the email to cesimhealth2020@gmail.com or get the free personal support for round 1 and round 2. Thank you for watching. Good luck and success. See you in the next video.